Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I am going to be reviewing the movie Dharak 2. Well, Dharak 2, I think it's been a month or so when it was released. अभी जो OTT में आ गया है, मतलब Netflix में है, तो मैंने देखा है ये like 2 days ago. जब छुट्टी थी like दुर्गा पूजा का, तो मैंने देखा था. Well, overall the topic was very sensitive and I would say topic बहुत ही अच्छा था. मूवी का जो सब्जेक्ट था कि लोअर कास्ट एंड अपर कास्ट का क्या डिफरेंसेस होता है, लोग कैसे सोचते हैं आपके बारे में एंड क्या क्या डिफ़िकल्टीज हो सकता है बीइंग अ लोअर कास्ट. तो इसमें सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी है हु इज़ अ लोअर कास्ट एंड तृप्ति दिमरी है हु इज़ द अपर कास्ट. Both of them, they meet in college, they fall in love, and the consequences of falling in love with rich and poor and lower caste and upper caste. So that was shown and I felt really really bad seeing the scenes जहाँ पे उसको कितने humiliate करते हैं, people even pee on him. It's really bad, it's really really bad, very disturbing, at least for me. I felt very very bad. So I just do not understand ki why people are still thinking about religion, caste, this that. मतलब caste अगर same हो तो भी क्या मतलब ऊपर जाता है नीचे जाता है. I just do not understand this concept. Like human beings are human beings. Why you need to differentiate it? Like I just do not understand that. ये छूत अछूत हो जाता है एंड ये नहीं करना चाहिए, वो नहीं करना चाहिए. अगर the person is sitting over there, why you are going and talking to that person? I shouldn't be talking to this person. I don't understand. So this concept was very sensitive. I liked the plot, but I did not like the ending. Ending could have been much more better. कि एटलीस्ट एक मोनोलॉग आता है सिद्धांत का जहाँ पे ही इज़ एक्चुअली सेइंग दीज फ्यू लाइंस जहाँ पे उनको रियलाइज़ होता है तृप्ति के फैमिली को कि जो वो कर रहे हैं बहुत गलत है. आई थिंक उन लोगों को कुछ और डिफरेंट करना चाहिए था, कुछ मूवमेंट या फिर कुछ समथिंग जो क्लाइमैक्स को बेटर करता. सो plot wise, story wise, very good, okay. Ending I did not like it, could have been better, and acting of both the actors were really good. I really liked them. So overall it was a decent movie, one time watch. If you want you can definitely go and watch, it's on Netflix. So yeah, that's it for the review. If you liked it, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And